I have some fish that I've taken off the bone. This was whole fish. You know how you fry fish and you have fish left over? So I took one of these and deboned it and put it in here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to have some fried um, croquettes. It's not like a salmon croquette because this is not salmon. This is just fish that we left over. And the way you do this, you put an egg in it. You take you some onions. Put some onions in there. Take you a little bit of flour also for binder. Just a little bit. You do a little salt and pepper and garlic powder. This is garlic powder. And then we do a little salt here. And a little pepper. Get this open. Pepper in there. Then you take I'm gonna take a fork and do this because I already blended it together. And I'm gonna make these into little patties. And fry. Just gonna make 2 patties. And that's all it is to it. That's leftover fish. So we even fried this fish twice. I'll be back to show you the finished product. Well, these are the patties. I kind of shouldn't have picked it up with a fork, but it'll be fine. And always mend it back together. That's the good thing about the eggs and the flour. Make a little flatter. Just let them fry. That's all you can do is let them sit until they get firm. Okay, you guys. It's got a little brown around the trim here, so I'm going to try to pick it up and flip it over. And that's your patty. That's what it's going to look like. Let it fry on the other side, and you got a done deal. So you got yourself not a salmon croquette or a salmon patty, but you kind of got yourself a fish patty. You can make you some grits, make you some rice, make you some whatever. I'm going to do me some hash browns in a little bit. And I'm going to have me some breakfast. Enjoy. Eat it any way you want to eat it. Put anything that you want to put on it. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that everything button. And I'll see you on the next one. Let at least one commercial play. Thank you.